2020, Paper 2, Question 14. Error. We have a pentagon where all the measures are correct to the nearest cm. So there is 1 cm. So the area is 1 over 2 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. So 0.5 cm. And then A is the area of this pentagon, the actual area. Find the range. Now for this pentagon, we don't have the formula to calculate directly, so we need to cut it into 2 parts. So it can form the trapezium and also the rectangle. And for each side, for example this one, and this one, and this one, it is independent. Okay, independent. For this one, independent. But for PQ, okay, it related to this SR. Okay, so you need to be careful. Okay, now let's see the minimum case. Minimum case. So for the minimum, okay, now because 0.5 is the error, so for this side, the minimum become 5 minus 0.5, so it becomes 4.5. So for this one, the minimum case is 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. For this one, the minimum case is 3 minus 0.5, 2.5. And then for whole length, this one, 6 minus 0.5 is 5.5. Because this length is related to this one, so that means this part, okay, here is 2.5 here, that means 2.5 here. So 5.5 minus 2.5, so we can get this one, so it is 3. Okay, then we calculate the minimum. Okay, now we calculate the rectangle first. Okay, now for this rectangle, so base time height 9.5 times 2.5 here. Okay, and then plus now for the trapezium, is upper base plus lower base. The lower base is here, 9.5 times the height. The height is 3 divided by 2. So after you calculate by calculator, it is 44.75. So you can see from the question, immediately only one minimum is 44.75. So we can conclude the answer is B. Now if there are two answers same, so you need to check the maximum. Actually same. Okay, that means this side become 5.5, this side become 10.5, this one become 3.5, this part becomes 6.5, and a similar method. Okay, and then use this one minus this one to calculate this, and then add up to area, then we can find the maximum. It is also 60.75.